Hi, the Unboxed here. In this video I'll show you how to install the latest iOS 27 developer beta for free. Normally if you want a developer account it costs $100 a month, but in this video I'll show you how you can do it for free and how you can get the iOS developer beta for free on your iPhone. This is compatible with iPhone 11 and upwards, so if you have one of these phones, you're good. Bear in mind that this is a developer beta and it will be very buggy, so don't install it on your main phone because it might also break some apps. Before you install it, make sure you back up your phone. Very important. To become eligible for the iOS 27 developer beta, you first need to enroll in the Apple developer program. Fortunately, this is easy to do. So if you're not already signed up for this, you just need to head to the enrollment page. I'll leave a link down below and then click start your enrollment. And here on I'd like to receive communication, you press no and then you press agree. Then you'll get to this customize your experience with Apple developer. Apparently you can only press get started. So you'll need to answer some of the questions here. I put iOS and macOS here and designer here. You can skip some of the questions, but there are some questions that you cannot, so I suggest you answer as many as you can. Then going down, I can't press finish here, so I pressed English there as well, and there might be a question that you missed. And actually you need to check this box, share my preferred language, and you need to have pressed English, and then you can press finish right here. And then you'll get this pop-up that says thank you for completing your developer profile. You just hit done here, and after that you can hit continue enrollment on the web and it will take you here to confirm your personal information. You put your information here until the button goes blue and then you hit continue, and here I hit individual/sole proprietor and then hit continue, and here you need to check this box and then continue. And as you can see, this is the page where you need to pay, but you can just exit this one and you're good to go. You don't need to pay, so do not press the purchase button, just press the X. So after you get to software update here, you should see beta updates here after, of course, you followed all the process, and then you go to beta updates and you should see here iOS 27 developer beta. And then you select this and it will start loading and you can install the iOS 27 developer beta. You go back here and then you can update now. And then you'll have to agree, of course, with the terms and conditions. And as you can see, it has 9.4 gigabytes, so it will be quite a lengthy process, about half an hour most likely, so you'll have to wait for that. And after you finished, you get the iOS 27 beta. As you can see, you go here, there's iOS 27.0 developer beta right here.